Turn your cat into a lap-loving kitty. Nothing beats the coziness of an evening spent watching TV, with a warm cat nestled in your lap and a hot drink in hand. However, not all cat parents experience this idyllic scene effortlessly. If your cat shows little interest in sitting on your lap, you might feel disappointed. Whether you're a new cat owner trying to encourage a playful kitten to be more affectionate, or you're working to earn the trust of a shy stray, or even if you've been living with your feline friends for a while and they still avoid snuggling, it's important to know that you're not alone. In this guide, we'll explore effective methods for training your cat to enjoy lap time, discuss reasons why they might resist, and provide tips for strengthening your bond with your furry companion. But before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to our channel and become part of our community of cat lovers. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos about cat care. Understanding your cat's behavior. First and foremost, it's essential to know what not to do if you're trying to encourage your cat to sit on your lap. Your initial impulse might be to pick them up and place them there, but it's best to resist that urge. While this action might result in your cat being on your lap temporarily, it's unlikely they'll stay willingly. Cats are independent creatures with strong wills and a clear sense of personal autonomy. Even the most affectionate cats may resist being forcibly placed on a lap. For a cat already hesitant about accepting affection, this approach can backfire and push them away further. If you frequently chase after your cat when they run away, they may perceive you as a threat. Building a strong relationship with your cat means allowing them to take the lead and making efforts to connect with them on their terms. Consistent positive interactions are crucial. Even if you create the most inviting lap, your cat won't be inclined to sit there if they remember you yelling at them or pushing them away earlier. A cuddly cat is a secure and happy one. Ensure they have food, water, and ample playtime. Communicate with them in a calm, soothing manner, and be patient in your interactions. The steps to training your cat. Step 1. Play it cool. Cats have a remarkable ability to sense stress and anxiety, even if they don't comprehend the underlying cause. If you're sitting there feeling tense and anxious, eagerly anticipating your cat's approach, they'll likely pick up on the tension and may become stressed themselves. To create a conducive atmosphere for your cat to relax and potentially sit on your lap, it's crucial for you to unwind first. Find a comfortable spot to sit, prepare a cup of your favorite hot beverage, and consider playing a soothing movie or music. By cultivating a calm and peaceful environment, you can help your cat feel more at ease and receptive to sitting on your lap. Step 2. Watch your body language. Cats are incredibly attuned to body language, so it's essential to maintain a relaxed posture and avoid sudden movements when trying to encourage them to sit on your lap. Aim to sit as still as possible, occasionally glancing over at your cat without staring too intently. Prolonged eye contact in cat body language can be interpreted as aggression or a challenge, which is the opposite of what you want to convey. When communicating with your cat, keep your voice calm and friendly. Additionally, employing positive body language such as slow blinking, often referred to as a cat kiss or I love you blink, can signal friendliness and trust, fostering a comfortable environment for your cat. Step 3. Be a comfy player. To encourage your cat to sit in your lap, create a comfortable and inviting space. Adding a soft blanket over your legs can make your lap more appealing and cozy. On chilly days, consider using an electric blanket or a hot water bottle, safely wrapped to prevent burns, to provide warmth. If you're open to a bit of creativity, you can strategically place treats or toys infused with catnip in your lap to attract your cat's attention. However, keep in mind that this approach may not be effective for every cat, as preferences can vary widely. Step 4. Be patient. Recognize that sitting on laps is not a natural behavior for cats. Even the most affectionate felines may need time to warm up to the idea or be gently trained. Be willing to spend some time patiently waiting for your kitty to feel comfortable enough to sit with you. It may require several attempts before they understand what you're inviting them to do. Consistency, persistence, and patience are essential in this process. Step 5. Don't freak out. When your cat finally chooses to sit on your lap, it's understandable to feel thrilled and want to express your joy. However, sudden movements, loud noises, or even a gasp can startle your cat and discourage them from trying lap sitting again. Practice taking slow, deep breaths and keeping your movements gentle and calm to avoid startling your cat. Your response should be as composed as possible to preserve a tranquil environment and encourage your cat to continue enjoying lap time. Step 6. Reward your cat. Once your cat is settled comfortably on your lap, acknowledge their good behavior. Speak to them in a calm, soothing tone, offering gentle praise. If your cat is receptive, you can try lightly petting them. Pay attention to their body language. If they tense up or show signs of discomfort, stop petting and give them space. Gradually increase the amount of petting if they seem to enjoy it, starting with gentle strokes from the top of their head down their back. Offering gentle scratches behind the ears or under the chin can also be rewarding for them. If it's your cat's first time sitting on your lap, try to stay with them for as long as they are comfortable, allowing them to leave on their own terms. When lap sitting doesn't happen, it's crucial to acknowledge that not all cats will be inclined to be lap cats, and that's perfectly fine. This doesn't reflect on your cat's affection for you or your capabilities as a pet owner. There are various reasons why a cat might not feel comfortable sitting on your lap. Age and development. It's quite common for some cats to be very affectionate as kittens, but become less so as they mature. This shift in behavior is normal and akin to human teenagers asserting their independence. Juvenile cats often enjoy their freedom and might prefer to explore rather than cuddle. If your cat has become less cuddly around the age of 1, they could be going through a teen rebel phase. However, they are likely to mellow out and seek more snuggle time as they transition into adulthood. In the meantime, engaging them in active play can be a great way to bond and interact with them. Breed characteristics. Indeed, certain cat breeds are more independent and less inclined to cuddle than others. For instance, breeds like Ragdolls and Maine Coons are renowned for their affectionate nature and enjoyment of human company. On the other hand, breeds such as American Shorthairs and Norwegian Forest Cats may exhibit more aloof and independent behaviors. Familiarizing yourself with your cat's breed characteristics can provide insight into their natural tendencies and help manage your expectations regarding cuddle preferences. Early life experiences. Cats that began life as strays or had minimal human interaction during their early weeks may be less predisposed to becoming lap cats. Proper socialization during a kitten's critical developmental period, typically between 2 and 7 weeks of age, involves consistent positive interactions with humans. Cats that missed out on this vital socialization window might never fully acclimate to human contact, preferring to maintain their independence. However, this doesn't imply a lack of affection. Rather, they express their love and bond with their owners in distinctive ways suited to their individual personalities. Building a stronger bond. Yes, that sentence makes sense. It effectively communicates the idea that there are multiple ways to build a strong bond with your cat, beyond just lap sitting, emphasizing the importance of understanding and accommodating your cat's individual preferences. Respect their space. Allowing your cat to approach you on their terms is crucial for building trust and fostering a positive relationship. Forcing interactions can indeed cause fear and anxiety, potentially damaging the bond between you and your cat. It's essential to respect their boundaries and communicate with them in a way that makes them feel safe and comfortable. Engage in play. Regular play sessions with interactive toys can help build trust and strengthen your bond. Cats need mental and physical stimulation, and playtime is a great way to provide this. It's also an opportunity for you to connect and spend quality time together. Create a safe environment. Ensure your home is a safe and comfortable environment for your cat by creating designated hiding spots, offering elevated perches, and providing cozy beds where they can feel secure and relaxed. Routine and consistency. Cats thrive on routine. Keeping a regular schedule for feeding, playtime, and attention can create a sense of security and familiarity for them, which can in turn make them more receptive to affection and bonding. Gentle touch. Learn to pet your cat in ways they enjoy. Some cats prefer gentle strokes along their back, while others may enjoy chin scratches or ear rubs more. Adjust your approach based on their body language. Understanding cat affection. Even if your cat doesn't sit on your lap, they can still express affection in various ways. Some common signs that your cat loves you include purring, which indicates contentment and affection, slow blinking as a sign of trust and love, headbutting or bunting to mark you with their scent and show affection. and following you around the house, indicating they enjoy your company and feel comfortable around you. Training your cat to sit on your lap requires a blend of patience, understanding, and respect for their individual personality. By fostering a calm and inviting environment, being mindful of your body language, and positively reinforcing good behavior, you can encourage your cat to become more affectionate over time. Remember, every cat is unique, and not all will become lap cats. However, they can still express their love and affection in many other ways. The most important goal is to build a strong, trusting relationship with your cat, regardless of whether they choose to sit on your lap. Do you want to know the cutest and lovely signs your cat sees you as their parent? Click this video to learn more about how your cat expresses their love and trust. Your support helps us continue to create content that keeps both you and your cat happy and informed. See you in our next video.